do you think? Hey, it's Chef K. Welcome back in to the channel. Hey, my granddaughter's here. School's getting ready to start. She spent a little time here today. Sweets, who's here today. And that's cinnamon sugar toast. Got some white bread. Got the broiler on. We're going to butter these things. We're going to put cinnamon sugar on them. We've got a mixture of cinnamon and sugar here in this little, looks like a red pepper flake dispenser. Works great. But they don't like it quite as concentrated. Sweets doesn't. So I'm going to mix it a little, go a little light on the cinnamon and a little heavier on the sugar. Here's how you do it. It's just one of those things that all the kids grew up with. My kids, they're all grown, and now their kids come over and we do this. Especially Sweets. She really likes it. I'll tell you what, it ain't bad. We don't sugar it up too heavy. It's definitely cinnamon and sugar. I go a little light on this. I want to spread that butter out. I try to get it wall to wall, but you know, I don't want that butter to be thick. I don't want wet, buttery middle on this. I want it to kind of toast up a little bit for us. And we're not going to mess around with the cinnamon and sugar. We're going to get it on there pretty heavy. Alright. Just a little quick little morning snack. It's great with coffee. I'm going to go in with this and just kind of lay that cinnamon in. This is a mixture. It's 50-50 pretty much. Well, yeah, close enough. 60-40. It's 60% sugar, 40%. I'm not, you know, it's not scientific or anything. Alright, now we're going to go in with just a little bit extra sugar, because that's how they dig it that way. If I give them too much cinnamon, they don't like it too much. They don't want to get. I like a lot of cinnamon and less sugar, but I'm kind of a weirdo. All right, so this is how I do it. The broiler's 550 degrees, and you can't really let these. I've had the broiler on for maybe 5 minutes, getting it hot, and you can see in there things are happening. I like to leave when I got a hot broiler going with any kind of bread, I like to leave the door to open just a little bit, and you can see that we are almost there. So I'm just going to leave that oven open for a minute. It's cool here today. It's raining. It's not. We're not cooking. All right. I don't want to get it too toasty. Don't want any black on that bad boy. If we get black on it, Grandpa's going to get complaints. Grandpa don't want complaints. Alright, there you go. And that is cinnamon and sugar toast for the grandkids. Alright, we'll take this out. Sweets. It's nice. It's toasty. Alright. We're watching you. What do you think? Is it good like before?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Sweets approved. Okay. Cinnamon sugar toast. Thumbs up. Cool. Hey, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.